So this is the design I'm going to be making today. It's a wedding card, but I suppose you could also use it as a prom card or sweet 16. And so I'm just going to walk you through it. And the one I'm going to be doing is red, and it will be for a friend's wedding at the end of this month. Okay. Okay, so for this card you will need an A4 piece of card, which has been folded into an A5 piece, a complementary coloured card cut into a circle. This circle is 14 centimetres in diameter, an accent coloured paper which matches your overall colour scheme, and this is 13 centimetres in diameter, giving a 5mm border all the way around when we overlap them. A wedding dress cut out. This is one I made. I'll also be putting a link to the template. Some nice sparkly stickers. I've chosen butterflies. A flower punch, just to punch out the little flower shapes, and also the sparkly gems embellishments, as well as I got these crystal stickles, and also the metallic paint, and this will look like pearls when it goes on. So once you've got everything cut out and ready, it's really easy to stick everything together. So the first thing I do, so I've already put my sticky dots on the back. Just take them off. And we'll just layer this on top of our accent card. I've chosen red because that's the overall theme of the wedding. Stick that down, turn it over, and then this gets stuck on our main card. Like so. So I like to stick this just towards the top. Stick that down. And the wedding dress also needs to go on. That's the right way up for you. So just put some sticky dots on here. There we go. And again, that's just off centre. Like so. There you go, we've got the card mostly assembled. Now I need to put the embellishments on, so I'm going to show you how to make these little flowers here. So all I did with these is I got my accent paper and my contrasting card and used a flower punch to cut out two little flowers. Then just use your thumb and just run it along the flower petal and that just gives it a bit of shape. And do the same with the accent paper. And then stick these together. I just like to use normal PVA glue because it's the less fiddly. That's my glue. So just put the glue on there. Put glue on that bit. And then also a little bit of glue just to hold the gem. A bit fiddly. There we go, that's your finished flower. And that will set quite hard. Before I stick those on, I'm just going to put my butterflies on. Sparkly embellishments. Just adds a bit of interest. So it doesn't matter which ones you put on. Just keep going until you like the look of it. That's generally what I do. So I've got to turn it up the right way for me to be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put that one there. Like so. And they're going to put the flowers, one at the bottom near where the butterfly is, and 3 around the top there, just to balance out that circle. And again, just a little blob of PVA. Where your flower is going to go. And around the top. And here's one I made earlier. So put that directly opposite the first one, and then 2 either side. And this just gives you a nice balance for the overall circle when you're thinking about the overall composition. And the sparkly bits just draw the eye out a little bit. Okay, so that's that done. Now what we're going to do, just to finish it off, we're going to add our metallic, well, our pearl drops. Well, it's metallic paint, but it ends up looking like pearls, which is this one. And all I'm going to do that is I'm just going to do little dots all the way around the edge of the card. And again, this just adds interest and colour. Breaks up that red circle a little bit, makes it look a little bit more exciting for the eye. Down the other side. So you go, that's just broken that circle up a little bit. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the crystal glitter just to accent the dress. And basically what I'm going to use that for is just to show the shape of the dress and the flow of where the fabric would be going, and just to do some simple lines down it. And also down the bodice. Don't have to be very many, just enough. There we go. And that is it finished. Couldn't be easier. There we go. So check out my blog for any other lovely designs. I'll put this up, and I'll also try and upload the template for everybody. Thanks very much for watching.